Today we're staying on track and getting our schedule under control with the help of our new magnetic acrylic calendar and dry erase marker set. And it comes shipped to your door ready to keep you on track too. Inside the box, you have your instructions, a pack of dry erase markers, 2 microfiber cleaning cloths, and then your acrylic calendar. The acrylic calendar has a clean black design with green lettering, and I think it looks pretty classy. The calendar has a slight curved design to help mount to your surface, and the magnets are strong, so it'll work on fridges, lockers, or any other magnetic surface. The markers also have a magnetic back plate, so you can mount it next to your calendar. Push the magnets against the surface, and it snaps into place. Then you can add your details to the board using the handy dry erase markers. The surface is easy to write on and just as easy to clean up. Just wipe your cleaning cloth across it and get to writing some more. We've been using this to help keep on track. Make sure we don't miss appointments and get the trash out on time. It's been so helpful having a schedule up on the wall for me to check every morning. Now I'm on track, and I'm able to stay focused on my projects with the help of my new magnetic calendar. So if you're looking for an easy way to stay on track, maybe you need a calendar you can stick to the fridge, and maybe this calendar might just be for you. If you'd like to get one for yourself, please use the affiliate link in the description below. It helps support the channel and it doesn't cost you any extra. Till next time, I'm off to go write my schedule for the upcoming week. See ya!